Page 8, Bring a Torch, Jeannette, Isabella. A really, really, really old melody. Let's look it over. It's a little over a page long. The clef sides are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 3/4 time. And I look through, I see half notes, quarter notes, and dotted half notes. I think we can handle all that. Now the hands are playing sometimes together and sometimes not. So I'm going to take the hands one at a time. I want to make sure I know what each hand is doing. And then I'll try putting them together. So the right hand is here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. Get the idea? Okay. That's pretty much it for the right hand until you get to measure 13. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? So I do the right hand. Then I do the left hand. It's fifth finger on E that puts the hand here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, that was fun. Let's measure 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, we've done that before. Okay. Let's go to measure 13. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now they want 2 on this. This is measure 17 or 16, 17. 16, the G sharp. They're saying 2. They're saying bring the 2 to here and then thumb down. I would not finger it that way. I would leave here, and generally I use the same finger for the white key and the black key. So I would use third finger and 2 here because I'm in this position. So I don't know why they want 2 and 1 there. In my opinion, I would use 3 and 2 fingering. So that would be here. Because the thumb has been here the whole time. Now you do have to move for measure 19. You're going to come up 1 because you want the thumb here. So you sometime during the rest in measure 18, you come up 1. However, if you want to use the fingering in the book, that's fine. Then you come up 2. I don't care. But I'm going to use 3 and 2 then for measure 16 and 17. And then for measure 18, we just come up 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You're staying there until the last measure. Well, you have a measure rest next to the last measure. And then the last measure, you come down here, 3 and 5. In theory, you could use any 2 fingers to play that last measure. But the idea is when we move the hand, we don't want to move it any farther than we have to. And since those fingers are closer, we use those fingers because you're here and we just come down to here. That's all. So the left hand's moving around a little bit. You're going to have to look down at the keyboard when the left hand moves, but otherwise try not to look at the keyboard. Now we put them together, and when I first put them together, I probably hesitate all over. That's fine. I don't care. I just want to know how they're working together. We're here, here, and then here. And then these are together, and then here, and then here. And we do that a bunch more. Let's go down to measure 13. It's here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then these 2 notes here, here, or depending on how you're fingering the left hand. 2, 3, 2. Measure 18 during the rest. The right hand, left hand comes up. Here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. And here. 1, 2, 3. See, the right hand's tied. Hang on to it and add that. Yeah. So I put the hands together, and then I go back over it a few hundred times or whatever. Maybe by next Christmas, I don't know. And I get rid of the hesitations. No hesitations. And once I can do that, I'll think about the articulation. I'm going to lift up between the phrases. Yeah. Like taking a breath? Yeah. The melody between the phrases on the melody. For instance, on measure 12 and then measure 13, lift up. So I'm separating that. There's a little silence. So again, starting at, start measure 9, you're here. Lift up. And don't mess up the beat like I did. Keep the beat at a steady beat. You're just lifting up long enough to take a quick breath is all. Then once I can do that, I think about the dynamics, the louds and softs. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte. Moderately loud, sort of loud, mid. Then a measure 16, 17, you get that little hairpin to come down. Ba-da-dum. You're down to soft, piano for soft, stay there. And then measure 19, you get a hairpin to go back up to moderately loud. Don't get moderately loud until measure 21. So careful on, you got 2 measures to go from soft to moderately loud. Just take a, and you're finishing it loud, finishing it, whatever, loud. Now, if you can get the control, and this takes a while, but I typically take my beginner students almost from the beginning on this because it takes a while. Because if you wait till later and try and do it then, not only do you still have the struggle of doing it, but now you got more difficult music to deal with. So let's just see what we can do here. It's the feeling of bring out the melody. We want to hear the melody. So you play the melody a little louder than everything else. That means the melody is heavier than everything else. At the beginning here, that's sort of loud. This is light. Can you play sort of heavy and light at the same time? We want to hear it. Same thing in measure 4 and 5 here. This is light. Heavy, light. At the same time. And then when the left hand gets the melody, it's got to sound just like the right hand. Measure 19, you're soft here in the melody. The left hand's got to be super soft. So if you can, bring out the melody. If you can't, don't worry about it. It takes time, but keep trying. Keep working on it. It comes eventually, if you work on it. Speed, this is a quick piece. If you were going to sing it, how fast would you? I don't sing in these videos, but if you want to, I don't care. There's a retardando toward the end. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just slow down. Yeah. How much? That's up to you. It's felt. Don't slow down a lot, but slow down. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Exaggerate it but really you need to feel it. One, two, three. I'm exaggerating it so you can hear it better, but you just feel it. Let's play this together very slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs, so I'm going to play it all about the same. I'll give us 3 counts. I will try and lift up between the phrases, though, because I can do the articulation. I just can't do the dynamics on this. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Off. There's a duet for this. I like to play that. I need you to go up the keyboard again, just like we've been doing. Just pretend the middle C on the keyboard instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'm going to take it about this fast. 1, 2, 3, up here. 1, 2. Make sure you can play it that fast with no hesitations. 1, ready, go.